let's hit it real quick. Let's hit this shit. First, that beat. That beat is a nuisance. It's a nuisance.
Ooh, Jesus. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling.
Baby, close your legs. Yeah, cause I just want the eggs. I ain't finna pay. Yeah, hold on.
Ooh, Jesus. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling.
See, look, I'm not a, cause look, you gotta understand it's an art. And I ain't gonna even act. It hurt right now. It do hurt. I'm not finna act. But I'm not done.
Ooh, Jesus. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but...
It's just how that hoe, you know that hoe, like, cause it jump. It made the track jump. When you hear that shit, the beat like, it like it's jumping, like it's and it do hurt. It do hurt. Cause I see what y'all say. It do hurt. I ain't gonna act like it don't hurt.
Jesus. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling. It ain't raining, but I'm drizzling.
That beat. Oh! Let me do that real quick. Cause sometimes I be feeling to do even more with that beat. God damn. Oh, that bitch! Oh my, hold up. Hey, I might can't shout out no more of this song. I might actually use this shit, okay? It ain't raining, but she about it ain't raining. Can I borrow your leg? Can I borrow? Oh yeah, hold on. Can I borrow your head? Can I borrow your head? Like pencils, we got lead. Babe, my pocket full of bread. My pocket. I ain't even hungry, but my pocket full of bread. My pocket full of bread. Hey, hold on. I got, cause it's starting to hurt a lot now. I ain't gonna care with y'all. I can feel that one. Hold up.